Welcome back to All by Oli Design. Today I'm going to show you how to sew strap holders that will hold your bra straps. First, let's see what is direction. This is the sleeve and this is our line. So this is outline and this is inseam. So we're going to close it directly to the inseam. You're going to need snap and a needle. And let's get started. Take the flat part of the snap and hold with one finger. And we're gonna start sewing first the snap. After we finish sewing the first snap, we are ready to make the chain stitch. It's very easy. You take your needle, make sure you do the knot at the edge. You pull it through. And then, second time, when I will pinch it at the same place, I'm not gonna pull all the way, I'm just gonna make a loop, and then through the loop I will start create these chain loops one by one, create this chain stitch. The length of this have to be closer to the snap. After we have the right length, we are ready to pull the other part of the snap through the thread, and then we have to tie it. After that, I will make sure to make another knot just in case to hold the snap on. This strap holder is very helpful to hold the strap bra on the same place. Sometimes we have situation at the event where you can see the strap bra sliding down. So we don't want that happening, so this is why we use them. So sometimes to avoid that, we use this strap holder, and it's very useful and you can do on any kind of the dress. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more, and thank you one more time.